Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. For this week's Members Trade of the Week, I actually have to show you my trade so you'll understand the members trade. The core CPI report is a high volatility, extreme risk event. We were trading it with the NQ and with bonds. Before the news was released, more than 20 seconds before the news, the NQ moved an enormous amount of ticks. It actually moved more than 60 points. Look at that. We canceled the trade because we felt it would be too dangerous to trade. And then the news came out and there was a very safe move in bonds and in the NQ. It was over 1,000 ticks. So we had 700 ticks in the previous move, a little bit less, and then 1,000 ticks, over 100 points in the real move from the news. We should not have canceled the trade, I thought, and I was not incorrect in my thinking. When you get such a big move before a news report, it is appropriate to cancel the trade. It can lead to stop outs and a big loss of money that you don't expect. That was a monstrous move. It was prudent to cancel the trade. But, and the big but is, I love our members because they do things that maybe they shouldn't do, but they're willing to take the risk. Langford M. from Anguilla, he traded the NQ. He just waited till that big explosion stopped. He put the NQ trade on and he made over $500 on that trade. And I have to say, I know that Larry from Canada traded and he made quite a bit of money on the CPI trade. So sometimes you follow the rules and you don't make money because you're being safe. Sometimes you don't follow the rules and you make a ton of money. It's just how it goes. Our members trade of the week is the core CPI report. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Don't always do what I say. Don't always do what I do. Sometimes you'll make more money if you think for yourself. I'll see you soon.